Hey guys, welcome back. If you have a phone or laptop and Wi-Fi, but zero skills, zero experience, and zero money to invest, this video will change your bank account in 2025. I'm going to give you the 7 easiest, 100% legit ways to start earning to $100, $1,000 plus every month from home, starting literally today. No scams, no upfront fees, no BS. If you're ready to stop scrolling and start earning, smash the like button right now and let's jump in. Big text on screen, 7 zero-skill methods that actually pay in 2025. Method 1, paid surveys and Microtasks, top apps, swag bucks, free $10 bonus, survey junkie, free cash, cents, do surveys while watching Netflix. 30 to 60 minutes a day equals $100, $350. Pro move, join 5 sites at once so you never run out. Method 2, get paid $10 for 10 minutes. Website testing, companies pay you to use their app or site and talk out loud. Best platforms, user testing gives $10 per 15 MIN test. TryMeWe gives $10 fast PayPal. Userlytics gives up to $90 for longer ones need. Quiet 5 to 10 tests week equals $300, $800 month. I still do this every weekend. Free money. Method 3, Microtasks, the hidden gold mine. Tiny jobs, I can't do yet up sites. Clickworker plus UHRS, huge money inside. Remote tasks, Amazon Turk data annotation.tech pays $20 plus hour in 2025. Tasks, label images, verify data, draw boxes. Beginners make $6, $10, HR, pros hit $20, HR, 2 hours, day equals for $100, $1,200 month. Method 4, watch videos and play games, yes, people still pay for this. Apps that pay daily, current rewards, listen to music. Misplay, play games, just play, cash out every 3 hours, not huge, but $50, $150 month while chilling. Method 5, cashback apps, free money on shopping. Get paid for things you already buy. Must have, Rakuten gives up to 15% back. Honey gives auto coupons. Fetch gives skin any receipt. I got $720 back last year without changing my spending. Method 6, beginner freelance gigs, still zero skill platforms. Upwork, Fiverr, free up search, data entry, copy paste, Excel cleanup. Lead collection real gigs paying $8, $20 hour, copy info from websites to Excel, find emails. Using free tools, post ads on Facebook groups started at $5 per hour gives now charge $25 hour doing the same thing. Method 7, upload simple designs, no drawing skill, use Canva. Free gives make text designs like Mama Needs Coffee gives upload to Redbubble, Printful, plus Etsy, TeePublic. They print and ship. You earn $3, $15 every time someone buys your mug or t-shirt. Completely passive after upload. Screen text, my 4-hour daily stack equals $100 plus per day.
Here's my exact routine that makes me $3,000 plus. Month now, morning. 45 minutes surveys plus Microtasks gives $20 afternoon. To user tests plus 1 hour transcription gives $60. Evening. Upload 10 Pinterest pins affiliate plus designs gives $20, $200 passive total time. 3-4 hours. Day total earnings. $800, $3,500. Warning screen. Red background, never pay to join anything. If they say $10,000, week guaranteed. It's a scam. Only use PayPal, Payoneer, Wise, or bank transfer. Track income. Report if over $600 year in most countries. Final motivational close look. Zero skills today doesn't mean zero future. Every person making 6 figures online started exactly where you are. Watching a YouTube video, feeling stuck, but deciding to take action. Pick one method from this video. Do it for 30 days straight. Then come back and comment how much you made. I read every single one. If this helped even one person start earning, my job is done. Like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe with the bell on because next week I'm dropping how I turn these into $5,000 month. Now stop watching and start earning. Your first $10 is waiting. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.